Hey traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and this is the daily recap video, Thursday, October 4th. And we're looking at the ES here. We had a nice sell-off today, decent sized pullback. NASDAQ at one point was down over 2%. NASDAQ futures, the Russell was down, Dow was down as well. S&P was down over 1% at one point. You can see we basically blew through all of these levels. This support line right here at 29.08 really that had been holding up the market for the past several weeks finally gave way after we retested the highs yesterday up at the 40 area. We had talked about that previously this week, that this would be a good opportunity to get short with a target below all of this, and it ended up getting back all the way to the origin of the move down at this 28.85. So we retested 2900, broke through it, dropped, and then rallied into the close, and you can see that we rallied back about 20 points from the lows today. So we had some good opportunities both on the short side and long side. Early on, you could see the market attempted to rally a bit, but got caught up in this breakdown or break point in the market here, and put in this reversal candle, and then didn't look back, and then came back down into this area. We were able to grab 5 points here, 5 points there on both sides, and so we definitely hit our targets today. Finally, some volatility. The VIX spiked up. I guess the whole reaction is what you're hearing on the news is based on interest rates rising. The 10-year is, I think we hit 3.2% today in the 10-year, and we haven't seen those levels since 2011. So rates are rising, but that should be expected as the Fed continues to raise rates. So we'll see how equity prices are impacted going forward. We have another opportunity down below. We may retest this 28.80 going into tomorrow, and see how we close out the week, and see if we can continue this pullback a little bit and get back down to this 28.60 area. We have our eyes on that. In the meantime, on the short side, just a retest of today's open area really, and a little pocket above that it touched into would be an opportunity on the short side. Other than that, guys, we're going to do a live stream tomorrow. Pre-market preps coming out. Be sure to check that out. Also, head on over to the site, and you guys can see we have our blog where we post all of our daily recaps and pre-market preps as well. If you guys are missing out on any of the information, be sure to come to the site, simplyderivative.com, and check out the videos here as well. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for the live stream notice. We'll be on YouTube and Twitch tomorrow, trading the futures markets, and also going into some options on some equities as well. Have a good night, guys.